Hey there, today we are checking out how to navigate NPCs to a specific object on a map. So the first thing we need is a navMesh agent on our NPC character. Here you can change different attributes, such as speed and the radius for obstacle avoidance. This will tell our navMesh that this is a movable object, such as an NPC. So the next thing we need is an obstacle or a point of interest where we want to go. So here we have a forest with lots of trees. And every tree have a navMesh obstacle component with a capsule shape. So this will tell the navMesh that this is an obstacle where the character cannot walk through. So now we have to go to Window, AI, Navigation to get to the Navigation tab. But also one thing is missing, the ground. For the ground we also get a navMesh agent and an agent type ground. This one can be set in our Navigation tab and here under Agents. So in the Navigation tab, under Wake, we press Break to generate our first navigation map. So this will help our agents to avoid obstacles and to find one. Once it's done, you will see the blue parts which are walkable and the transparent parts which are non-walkable. So now for the character mover script. This will be attached to our NPC character. In the Awake method, we get the navMesh agent component. The next thing we have to do is find the nearest object with a tag. In our example, tree. So we cycle through all objects and check the distance. If we found the nearest object, we simply have to set the destination on our nav agent. So the cool thing about this is even when you spawn in obstacles, the NPC might get confused, but in the end, he will find the target. So, I hope you learned something new today. Subscribe to watch more tutorials and I'm sure I see you in the next.